Head lice is a very common problem, especially in children. It causes itching and irritation on the scalp. Lice are small insects which breed on the head of the affected person and draw blood from the scalp. They spread from one infected person to another through physical contact, sharing of comb, cap or pillows. People living in unclean and crowded places are prone to head lice. Here are a few home remedies that need to be followed regularly for eradication of head lice. Take a bowl of peeled and crushed almonds. Add 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix it well. Apply this paste on your scalp. Leave it as it is for 30 minutes and then wash it off with normal water. Take a bowl of crushed onions. Place it on a sieve. Extract its juice. Apply this on your scalp and massage gently. Leave it as it is on your scalp for 1 hour and then wash it off with normal water. Any treatment for head lice needs to be continued at least for a week to get lasting relief from this condition. There is always a slight risk of infestation transmitting through clothing, linen and headgear. Be cautious and cleanse all of these objects thoroughly with detergents before use. Take care of yourself.
For more such natural home remedies, visit www.homeveda.com.